children, important dynasties of South India. That is we started now. Already we learned about the Chandragupta, Maurya, his son Bindusara, and what the great king Ashoka. We learned all that one. Okay. Next comes Kushana. They are also very important rulers in the North India, children. They ruled nearly 2000 years ago. That time Kushan's rule was there in India. Among the Kushans, Kanishka was the famous king. And this Kushan's kingdom was from Afghanistan to Bihar. That much they extended the kingdom. The kingdom picture is given in your textbook. I will show it, children. See here. From the yellow part, this is India, children. Can you make out? India head it is. So Afghan is here. So from Afghan, Gandhar is the place. From that place to up to Bihar it is. So the Kushan dynasty was this much. It is extended. Yes, Kanishka was the famous king from the Kushan dynasty, and this Kanishka is the follower of Buddhism. How Ashoka started spreading the Buddhism to all over the world, same thing, this Kanishka also is a follower of Buddhism, and he also tried to spread the Buddhism in many parts of the world. And he conducted the 4th Buddhist conference at Kashmir. Buddha made the 3rd Buddhist conference at Patliputra only he made, and this Kanishka made the 4th Buddhist conference at Kashmir. Got it, children? Then he also started, Kanishka not only extending the kingdom, he started the one calendar. That calendar name is Shaka calendar. This is only our Indian official calendar. It is Shalivana Shaka it is called. Shalivana Shaka. That calendar only we Indians are following. It is our official calendar also. That is started by the Kanishka king. Got it? Kushan king is Kanishka. He started that one. It is called as a Shaka calendar or Shalivana Shaka calendar. That one only our Indian calendar. Follow, children? Yes. As I said, he is a follower of Buddhism. He built stupas in many places. Buddhist stupa. Stupa means they are prayer hall, children. Very big prayer hall will be there. Side will get the rooms, and the architecture is in the circle. Even the roof is also in the circle. Dome shape it is. Sanchi Stupa is shown the picture while teaching Ashoka. Yes, no? Yes, he also built this stupa. One of the stupa is very famous. It is in Purshapura. The stupa is in the Purshapura. Now it is in Peshawar, children. Pakistan it is. Peshawar is in Pakistan. Okay. So that one earlier is called as a Purshapura. Now it is called as a Peshawar. It is in Pakistan. That stupa, what is the special about that stupa means? It is 13-story building. See here, children. 13-story building. Long back, 2000 years back, they built the 13-story stupa. That you can say it is wonder in the architecture. Follow, children? Yes. This is all about Kanishka, and he built the capital city also. That capital city name is Kanishkapura. His name only kept Kanishka. King name. Pura means city. Kanishkapura. Like that he built the city. Follow, children, about the Kushan. Only Kanishka is the famous one. That one I am teaching. Okay, take these words. Still more points are there, and many great things are there about Kanishka. That one I will write. Okay. One thing is he prepared the calendar, Shaka calendar, which one we are till today we are using, and he accepted it as a Indian calendar. Shaka calendar or Shalivana Shaka calendar. That one, and this is 13-story stupa. They are the great things, and the other two are there. I will write it. Okay, take this one. Yes. See, this Kanishka king, not only Buddhist follower, he is very much interested in the architecture. Many stupas he built. By that only we come to know the Kanishka's interest in the architecture. And he given the encouraged for the literature also. That one I wrote the point here, children. So what I said, he built the many stupas. He given the encouragement for the architecture. So that time, two styles of architecture they were emerging. The styles name. Already while teaching the other dynasties, I told children Indo-Islamic style, Islamic style, like that. So in the olden time, two new styles emerged. That styles names are Gandhara style and Mathura style. Gandhara is also place, children. It is in Afghanistan now. Earlier it is included in India only, but now it is in Afghan. So Gandhara and Mathura, these are the two places named. In that name only two styles of architecture emerge. What are those? See children, listen that one. You are not having in textbook this what they are. Only styles name they given in a textbook. Only Buddha statue you are watching is two types of statues you can see, children. In one style, normal statue will be there. Only nose will be pointed. Nose will be pointed and deep eyes will be there. You have to watch the statues only, children. You come to know this one. That is one style. Ganga style. One more style. Mathura style. That means Buddha statue only take. See how it will be. Lips will be very thick. In some statue, you might have seen some statues. Lips will be very thick. And eyes will be deep. You can see the eyeball in that statue. And ears will be very lengthy one, long one. Have you seen? These are the two styles. In one style, only deep eye will be there and nose will be pointed. Normal statue it is. Another style, ears will be long one and eyes will be deep, lips will be thick. That is the difference between the two styles. Followed, that two styles started, and in that style you will find the many Buddha statues, because Kanishka is a follower of Buddhism. To spread the Buddhism, he created the many statues, either they are in Gandhara style or in a Mathura style. Followed? Yes. And very much great thing is gold coins, children. Gold coins first time started in India by Kanishka. Kushans only started. Then Gupta and other dynasties also started. But the first time gold coins are started in India by the Kushans. Followed? These are the great things by the Kushans. Then Kanishka, his statue is available in Mathura, children. Kanishka's statue only it is. They given in your textbook. I will show it. See children, here this statue they given, it is in Buddha statue it is. Can you see? Buddha statue it is, normal statue it is. So it is in Gandhara style, children. Only pointed nose you can see and deep eyes you can see. This one. And next one, Kanishka statue it is. It is, we found this one in Mathura, children. How you can say this is a Kanishka? Head is not there. Only one man is standing and is holding the sword, but no head. How will find this one? How means, see children, I will explain that one how it is. When in Mathura we found this one, only statue was there, no head. But every time you can see that whenever we are in our architecture only the style is there. When we are preparing the statue, we get one basement, one flat platform we get. Pedestal it is called. Every statue, Natarajan Murti you see, Ganesha statue you see, you will get one block base you will get. That is called pedestal. So in that pedestal they wrote Kanishka's name. So by that writing only we came to know that what the statue is there, it is Kanishka's. Someone demolished the head of that statues. Okay, that one Kanishka statue we got in Mathura it is. As I said, this Kanishka is a and he is giving encouragement for the writers. So Ashwagosha is a writer. He wrote the book Buddha Charita. He wrote the book Buddha Charita. Buddha Charita only he wrote that name. Then Vasumitra. Vasumitra, he is a Buddhist scholar. Here I wrote scholar. Buddhist scholar he is. And he is in the court of the Kanishka only. Followed. And that time doctor also of their children. Charaka. Can you see here? Charaka. He is a doctor. You can say he is the first doctor in India. Charaka. Got it, children? Charaka Samhita book he wrote. Many medicines he found that one. He know the surgery also, children. They used to remove the stone pieces or bones from metal pieces, anything went inside the body during war and all this. They used to remove. Surgery they used to do, operation, children. So great people know. So Charaka is, you can say, first doctor, and he is a doctor for Kanishka also. For King Kanishka, he is a doctor. Charaka. Follow, children? Yes. This is all about the Kushans. Take this point. Yes. Kushans very little they given in a textbook, children. So I taught that one. Homework for today. Name the famous king of Kushan. Okay. Who were the first to mint gold coin in India? Third one. Where is 13-storied stupa situated? Fourth one. Name the two styles emerged during Kushans. Only styles name you have to write. Who started the Shaka calendar? These 5 questions you write, children. In the next class, I will take Gupta. See, one dynasties, one video I am making, children. It is easy for you to understand. Two are missing means we get confusion. So today I taken only Kushans. In the next class, I will take the Guptas. Okay? Take this homework and do it, children. Okay? Thank you.